I'm on the scene tonight with alleged dog food thief, Liam McGillicuddy. Is it true, Mr. McGillicuddy, that you ate half a bowl of dog food and stole from the dog today? Would you like to comment about that? Anything to say, sir? Anything at all? Nothing? You know it's on tape. We can bring these allegations further. Do you have anything to say to defend yourself? Please. I understand where you're coming from here. It is your time to tell your side. Are you declining this interview? Sir? Sir, I can come to your workplace. I'm going to dox you. What you did was wrong. This is your chance to defend yourself. You ate that dog food. It's on tape. We're not going to let this go. DEB News is on the case, and we're investigating. Do you understand? Anything to say at all? No? Nothing? Okay, well,